Hey everybody, and welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I just wanted to go ahead and talk about some tips and tricks for winged liner and hooded eyes. But before we go, just go ahead now, just subscribe down below. Let's be friends, and let's get into it. I already have my makeup done for the day, and I was actually about to take it off, but then I thought, like, I could just do my little eyeliner thing real quickity spliggity. So first things first, you need to know if you have hooded eyes or not. Usually you know if you do have hooded eyes or not. If you don't, it's okay. I got you. If you do not have hooded eyes, your lids are completely visible, meaning none of this skin up here droops over your lid space. So if you can visibly see your lids, you are good to go. Now, partially hooded eyes. There is an in-between. Partially hooded eyes is where your skin folds over onto your lid space, but you can still see a little bit of your lid space. So if you're looking like that, you are partially hooded. And for completely hooded eyes, you cannot see any lid space. Like none. You just have to learn how to work around it, work with it, and just make it work for you. Having eyes that are not hooded, in my opinion, would probably be the easiest to work with, just because you don't have to work around it, create it. You know, it's just like, it's laid out, it's there, it's like perfect. But for me, I do have partially hooded eyes. I'm pretty sure it's super common to have partially hooded or hooded eyes. So don't feel all weird if you got hooded eyes, like you can still be cute. But this is for the ones out in the world that do have partially hooded or hooded eyes. We are about to learn how to do perfect winged liner. All right, so now that we are up close and personal, I'm not gonna look directly into the camera because then I'll look like a cricket or something. By the way, I'm using my all-time favorite eyeliner, Physicians Formula Waterproof Ultrafine Liquid Liner, and it's in the shade Blackest Black. All right, so with traditional liner, you would just make your line. So you just draw your line, connect it, and fill it in, and create that line across. So this is your traditional wing liner. This is all cute and dandy if you don't have hooded eyes. But as soon as you relax your eyes, your wing disappears. Okay, I took off my lashes so you could see what I'm talking about. Your wing disappears underneath your hood. It kind of looks like a Nike sign, like a swoosh. But as soon as you lift the skin, you see that perfect wing. So the first tip, super easy. It's probably the easiest tip out of the two that I'm going to show you today. So we're going to create that line. And now you're just going to create a very small, simple wing. So just start from the bottom, ever so slightly, and then connect it. All right, so here we have just created a super small, simple wing. So when you look straight and you relax, you can still see everything that you created. Nothing is covered under that flap. You just wanna make sure you're staying away from that crease. All right, so this next tip is for the girls that want that really big, bold, thick wing, like, that's a wing. When you want that wing, but you got hooded eyes, this is what you're gonna do. You will create that line going up. Right, you have that bottom line going up. Now this, you're gonna do exactly the same way that you would do your traditional wing liner, but you're gonna make sure that your eye is relaxed and you're looking straight ahead, eyes relaxed. So you want that skin fold to be down. And you're just going to create that line from the outer corner of the wing to the inner, whatever, back to that line. You know what I'm saying. And you're gonna fill it in. It looks good, but when you lift your lid, you will see that the liner is missing because of that skin fold. You want to create the illusion of not having that skin fold and having that perfect wing liner. So what we're going to do next is we're going to connect this outer corner here down to the line. It all comes together as if it was that traditional winged liner. So now your wing looks like a traditional wing. So instead of the Nike swoosh, you look natural and your wing is completely visible. All right, so I put my lashes back on so you guys can kind of see the full effect here. I know some of you, maybe most of you, maybe all of you are like thinking like, that wing looks stupid with that straight down cut and across, but come on, 9 times out of 10, how often are you looking surprised? Normally, you're relaxed, you're cool, you're calm, and your wing liner will look perfect. Go ahead, try these out. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try them out and how it turned out for you. If you ended up putting your own little twist on it, or if you just did it this exact way. Give this video a thumbs up. And more importantly, go ahead and subscribe now so you can stay along for the journey. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.